What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you which edition of WWE 2K26 you should buy. WWE 2K26 is officially up for pre-order and this year we have got 4 main editions to choose from, priced at $70, $100, $130 and $150. Each edition comes with different bonuses, early access options and extra content. So let's quickly break them down, starting with the standard edition priced at $70. This includes the base WWE 2K26 game and the pre-order bonus, which is the Joe Hendry pack. That pack gives you cosmetics, a My Faction card and island related content. The standard edition launches on March 13th and it does not include early access. Next is the King of Kings edition, coming in at $100. This includes everything from the standard edition plus the King of Kings edition pack, Ringside Pass Premium Season 1 and 7-day early access, meaning you can start playing on March 6th. If you want early access without spending too much, this is easily the best value option. Then we have the Attitude Era edition priced at $130. This includes everything from King of Kings plus the Attitude Era pack, Ringside Pass Premium Seasons 1 through 4, a Superstar Mega Boost, extra VC and early access. This edition is clearly aimed at long-term WWE fans who want classic superstars and all the main DLC logged in early. Finally, there is the Monday Night War edition priced at $150 and this is the most complete version of WWE 2K26. It includes everything from all previous editions plus the Monday Night War pack featuring Shawn Michaels DX, Macho Man Randy Savage 98, Rowdy Roddy Piper 98 and the WCW Thunder 98 arena. You also get the full season pass for seasons 1 through 6, the WrestleMania 42 pack coming in summer 2026, multiple My Faction Evo cards, My Rise boost and a large amount of VC. So which one should you go for? Casual players should stick with the $70 standard edition or wait for a sale. If you want early access without going all in, the $100 King of Kings edition is the sweet spot. Hardcore fans who plan to grind all year will get the most value from the $130 Attitude Era or the $150 Monday Night War edition. Pricing aside, WWE 2K26 is shaping up to be a stacked release. Now it really comes down to how much you plan to play and how much content you want on day 1. Let me know which edition you are picking up. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.